So today I bought a couple of things at the farmer's market, Boeremark in Langenvan Park. I'll show you what it all is. Some samosas from Indian, real Indian people, a spring roll from a Chinese woman, and a sausage roll, a chicken sausage roll from a Boeretani. So yeah, it's all in the taste. First samosa. Very nice. That's a chicken samosa. And then the beef samosa. Very nice. Really nice. And then the chicken spring roll. Also nice, but it's in a quiet taste. And then the chicken sausage roll, chicken roll, I don't know what you call it. Quite nice. I'll give it chicken samosa 8 out of 10. The beef, 7.8. The sausage roll, or the chicken roll, I'm not that fond of it, 7.2. And the spring roll, bit of a quiet taste, but I like it, a 7.6. Thank you guys, till next time. Love you, like.